After age 60, your body starts losing muscle at a shocking speed. Up to 8% per decade, even if you stay active. This means by the time you're 70 or 80, your muscles may have shrunk by nearly a quarter. That's not just about looking weaker. It means a higher chance of falls, broken bones, longer recovery times, and eventually losing the ability to live independently. Every time you struggle to get out of a chair, climb stairs, or carry groceries, it may not just be old age. It's your muscle mass fading away quietly. This process is called sarcopenia, and the biggest reason behind it is not just aging, but not getting enough high-quality protein. Most seniors think eating 1 or 2 eggs a day will protect their muscles. But here's the truth. Eggs only give you 6 grams of protein each. That's far below what experts now say older adults need to maintain or rebuild muscle. You actually need around 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal if you're over 60 and want to preserve your strength. That adds up to at least 75 to 90 grams a day. And eggs alone can't do that. Not even close. But here's the good news. There are 15 other foods that give you more protein per 100 grams than eggs. And many are easier to digest, safer for your heart, and packed with the amino acids your aging muscles crave. In today's video, we'll show you these 15 foods, ranked from number 15 to number 1, based on protein content and how effective they are for seniors. All are backed by science and can be easily found in your kitchen grocery store or local market. First up, number 15, Greek yogurt. This creamy food delivers about 10 grams of protein per 100 grams, which is already more than eggs. But it's not just about protein. It also contains calcium for bones and probiotics for gut health. If you're over 60, gut health matters a lot because poor digestion can stop you from absorbing nutrients, even if you're eating well. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars, and enjoy it as breakfast or a light snack. Next is number 14, tofu. Made from soybeans, tofu contains around 10 grams of protein per 100 grams, and it's a plant-based complete protein. That means it has all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair muscle. Tofu is also soft, easy to chew, and gentle on sensitive digestion, making it perfect for seniors with dental or stomach issues. You can add it to soups, stews, or even blend it into smoothies. Number 13 is chickpeas, with 9 grams of protein per 100 grams cooked. They're not just rich in protein, but also fiber, iron, and magnesium. That means they support both muscle and heart health. Chickpeas are also great for balancing blood sugar, which is important because muscle loss is faster in people with uncontrolled diabetes or insulin resistance. You can roast them as a crunchy snack or mix them into salads. Number 12 on the list is quinoa. It may look like a grain, but it's actually a seed, and it's one of the few plant foods that contain complete protein, about 8 grams per 100 grams cooked. Quinoa is easy to cook, gluten-free, and has a mild flavor that goes well with vegetables or lean meat. It's rich in magnesium and B vitamins, which help reduce fatigue and improve nerve function. Key for seniors dealing with low energy or tingling in the legs. Coming in at number 11 is pumpkin seeds. These crunchy little seeds pack a powerful 19 grams of protein per 100 grams. That's over 3 times the protein in eggs. Plus, they're loaded with zinc, magnesium, and antioxidants. Zinc helps support your immune system and keeps your skin and tissues strong, important as you age. Just a handful of pumpkin seeds a day, sprinkled on yogurt, oatmeal, or eaten as a snack, can give you a big protein boost. Number 10 is edamame. These are young soybeans, and they offer 11 grams of protein per 100 grams, along with fiber, iron, and vitamin K. They're easy to digest and make a great snack or side dish. You can steam them and add a little sea salt, or toss them into soups or salads. Edamame is especially good for older women because it contains natural plant estrogens that can help with bone health post-menopause. Number 9 is tempeh. This is another soy product like tofu, but fermented and much higher in protein, about 19 grams per 100 grams. It also has a firmer texture, making it a great meat substitute in stir-fries or sandwiches. Because it's fermented, it's easier on the digestive system and supports your gut microbiome, important for immune strength and nutrient absorption. Tempeh is also rich in iron and B vitamins, which help fight fatigue and improve circulation. As you can see, these 7 foods already give you far more protein than eggs, but that's just the beginning. The next 8 foods have protein levels that reach 25 to 35 grams per 100 grams, some even higher than chicken or tuna, and they're all safe and effective for seniors. But before we move on, here's a simple tip you can start today. Choose at least 2 of the foods we've mentioned so far and add them to your meals this week. Even just swapping your regular breakfast for Greek yogurt with pumpkin seeds or tofu scrambled with chickpeas can make a big difference. And remember, you don't need to overhaul your diet overnight. Small steps, done consistently, lead to big results. Your muscles don't care how old you are. They just need the right building blocks. Stick with us, because in the next part, we'll reveal the top 8 highest protein foods that beat eggs and even meat when it comes to rebuilding muscle after 60. These are foods that professional athletes, bodybuilders, and even hospitals use to support recovery and prevent frailty in seniors. You won't believe what number 1 is. It's not what you think. So stay with us, and let's keep building strength naturally, one bite at a time. Now that you've seen the first 7 foods that beat eggs in protein, it's time for the final 8. These next foods have even more protein, some with double or triple what an egg offers. And what's even better, these are foods that your body can actually absorb and use to build strength after 60. Let's start with number 8, almonds. These are more than just a healthy snack. Almonds contain about 21 grams of protein per 100 grams. They are rich in vitamin E, which helps your cells recover and protects your muscles from damage. They also contain healthy fats that support heart and brain function. If chewing is difficult, you can soak them overnight or blend them into smoothies. Add a handful to your breakfast, and you're feeding your muscles with power. Now, number 7, lentils. Cooked lentils offer about 9 grams of protein per 100 grams. But they come packed with fiber, folate, magnesium, and iron. These nutrients help increase your red blood cell count and oxygen delivery to your muscles. That means you feel less tired and more energetic during daily activities. Lentils are gentle on the stomach and easy to prepare. A bowl of lentil soup can be a comforting high-protein meal. Next up is number 6, seitan. This is also known as wheat meat. It's made from wheat gluten, so it's not for those with celiac disease. But if you can tolerate it, seitan is one of the highest plant-based protein sources. It delivers a massive 25 grams of protein per 100 grams. It has a texture similar to meat and is often used in vegetarian recipes. Stir-fry it with veggies, or add it to sandwiches for a chewy, protein-packed bite. Moving on to number 5, cottage cheese. It offers around 11 to 14 grams of protein per 100 grams, depending on the variety. What makes it special is its slow-digesting casein protein. This provides a steady release of amino acids into your bloodstream, especially helpful when eaten before bed. It helps your muscles recover while you sleep. Cottage cheese is also high in calcium, which is essential for strong bones. Mix it with fruit or sprinkle some seeds on top for added nutrition. Number 4 is sardines. These tiny fish might be small, but they're packed with power. Sardines contain about 25 grams of protein per 100 grams. They are also full of omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and help your joints stay flexible. Plus, they have vitamin D and calcium, which support bone and muscle function. Canned sardines are affordable and shelf-stable. Just rinse them to remove extra salt and add them to toast, salads, or rice. Now, number 3. Chicken breast. It's no surprise that this lean meat is high on the list. Skinless chicken breast contains around 31 grams of protein per 100 grams. That's over 5 times the amount found in a single egg. It's also low in fat and easy to digest. Grilled or baked chicken can be a perfect lunch or dinner option. Pair it with vegetables and quinoa for a balanced, muscle-boosting meal. Make sure to avoid fried chicken, as the extra oil and sodium can be harmful to heart health. Number 2 is tuna. Whether canned or fresh, tuna is one of the best protein sources for seniors. It offers about 29 grams of protein per 100 grams. It's also rich in vitamin B12, which helps maintain energy levels and supports the nervous system. Tuna contains selenium and niacin, both of which are essential for cellular repair. Include it in sandwiches, salads, or eat it plain with lemon juice and herbs. Always choose tuna packed in water, not oil, to keep it heart healthy. And finally, number 1. Whey protein powder. This might surprise you, but it's the most effective way for seniors to meet their protein needs quickly and safely. Whey protein offers about 35 grams of protein per 100 grams. Just one scoop, about 30 grams, can give you around 20 to 25 grams of protein. It's fast-absorbing and contains leucine, an amino acid that specifically triggers muscle protein synthesis. That means it directly tells your body to build muscle. This is why hospitals and fitness experts use it for recovery and strength. For seniors who struggle to eat large meals or have poor appetite, whey protein is a lifesaver. You can mix it with water, milk, or blend it with fruits and seeds to make a quick shake. Choose an unsweetened version without artificial additives and make it part of your daily routine, especially after light exercise or morning walks. By now, you can clearly see that while eggs are good, they're far from the best. There are many other foods, both plant and animal-based, that offer more protein, better digestion, and greater benefits for aging muscles. The key is to eat a mix of these daily. You don't need to follow a strict diet. Just include a variety of the top 15 foods we discussed today and spread them across your meals. Aim for 25 to 30 grams of protein in breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And remember, hydration matters too. Protein needs water to be processed properly, so drink enough fluids throughout the day. Also, add light strength-building exercises to your routine. Things like resistance bands, body weight squats, or chair-assisted movements can make a big difference. This combination of high-protein foods and gentle exercise helps you stop muscle loss and actually rebuild strength, even in your 70s, 80s, or 90s. Science confirms it. Muscle loss is reversible at any age. You don't need supplements, pills, or fancy meals. You just need the right food, in the right amounts, every day. Your muscles are waiting for the fuel. They just need you to give them what they're asking for. So go ahead. Start with what you like. Maybe Greek yogurt in the morning, a lentil bowl at lunch, and some grilled chicken or tuna at night. Add a scoop of whey protein if you're short on time. Every bite counts. The more consistent you are, the stronger you'll feel. And it's never too late to take your strength back.